Hey guys, I'm back with a new video and I'm back with a new craft video for you. And guess what it is? It's Forky from Toy Story 4. If you watched it, all you need for the supplies is a fork, a wooden stick, Play-Doh, glue, and the fuzzy stick, and some tape, and googly eyes, and you might need a scissor. So let's show, if you don't have a white fork, you can use a spoon, and with your parents' help, you can ask them to cut it. That's what I did because I didn't have one. It's a spoon, and then I cut it with my scissors. And let's get started. So the first step is you want to take your fork, take the back of it, keep it like that. Take your white piece of Play-Doh, and then take some of it out, probably this much Play-Doh. Then you want to shape it kind of like a triangle shape, kind of like that. And once you're done molding it, I'll show you how it should be looking like. And this is how it should be looking after you're done molding it, kind of like a mountain. Then you're gonna take the bottom of the fork and then push it down in the middle of the Play-Doh, like that. And it might have turned a little bad, so you can mold it again once the fork's in there. Like that. And there might be a few cracks. That's fine. Then you have this so far. And you need one big googly eye and one medium-sized googly eye. And then you're gonna take your Elmer's glue, and then don't put it on the fork. And then you wanna put it on the googly eye, not on the fork. Then if you put it on the fork, it's gonna get messier. There we go. And then both glued. You don't want to stick them on the front. You want to stick them on the back of the fork, and then put it right on there, like that. And then take your small one, and then put it on here. There we go. That's how it's so far. The purple is gonna dry off, so don't worry about that. And then the next step is you take your blue Play-Doh. Let me just close this real quick. Blue Play-Doh. The only thing is you want to take a tiny pinch. A tiny pinch, and then roll it out like a snake, and then be like this, and then fold it. If it's too big, you can take some off. Then see if it works. Okay. And guys, this is the mouth, and then you want to stick it below the eyes. Put a little press so it sticks on. Guys, there we go, the mouth sticking. Now we're gonna do the feet. So you need your wooden stick and scissors, and you want to cut out the ends like small. This is how it's supposed to look like. A small piece. Then don't put the whole thing. Just put it slowly. And then when you're done, pinch it to there like that. And do the same thing with your other leg. There you go. The feet are done. Now we're going to do his hair, which you're going to use the fuzzy stick for. You want to cut out a tiny piece like that. And then you're going to take your tape, but first if you want to put it like wiggly, you can do that. And then that's how it's going to stick. Then you take a tiny piece of tape like that. Like that, a tiny piece. You take it, then you put it here. So guys, we got a tape. And if you're too small, ask your parents' help. So now you're gonna use your fuzzy stick for your hands. You're gonna put it behind the forky. Then, like you're tying shoelaces, the first part. You're gonna put it in the middle, the knot. Like you're gonna put it in the middle. Guys, you might need your parents' help. That's what I did. I took my parents' help, and at the last, you probably want to like make little wiggles for his fingers, like that. Guys, try this craft at home and tell me how it works out. And if you did something wrong, just ask your parents. And hopefully you liked the video. See you in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget, and if you want to comment anything video that I can do, just comment down below. See you in the next video.